What to do if your Uber crashes. Many New Yorkers rely on rideshare services to get around quickly and safely. When a crash happens in an Uber, the unexpected situation can be overwhelming, and knowing your legal rights is critical. Determining who is legally responsible for a rideshare accident is crucial. Under New York's Vehicle and Traffic Law Article 44B, liability depends on who caused the collision and the driver's status within the rideshare app. If the Uber driver acted negligently, such as speeding, ignoring traffic signals, or using a phone while driving, an injured passenger may have a claim against the driver and Uber. When another motorist is at fault, that driver's insurance is typically responsible. If they lack sufficient coverage, passengers can seek compensation through uninsured or underinsured motorist benefits. New York follows pure comparative negligence, meaning compensation is adjusted according to each party's percentage of fault. Evidence like police reports, witness statements, dashcam footage, GPS logs and Uber ride data help determine negligence and apportion fault. After an Uber accident, your first priority is safety. Call 911 to report the crash and request medical assistance if needed. Filing a police report preserves important details and ensures there is an official record. Gather evidence by taking photographs of the vehicles and roadway, obtaining contact information for the Uber driver, other drivers and witnesses, and saving your ride receipt. Notify Uber through the app's emergency line and inform your own insurance company. Seek medical attention even if you feel fine, because some injuries manifest later. Finally, consult with a lawyer to understand your rights and potential compensation options. Investigations look at whether the Uber driver violated traffic laws or acted carelessly, such as speeding, running red lights, or being distracted by the app. Liability may also rest on another driver who caused the crash. New York's comparative negligence rule divides damages according to fault. For example, if a passenger is found 10% responsible, perhaps for not wearing a seatbelt, their compensation decreases by that percentage. Building a strong case often requires gathering detailed evidence and working with an attorney who understands rideshare law. Insurance benefits depend on the Uber driver's status. When the driver is offline, only their personal auto policy applies, subject to state minimums. When they are logged into the app and waiting for a ride request, Uber provides contingent liability coverage of up to $50,000 United States dollars per person and $100,000 United States dollars per accident for bodily injury, and $25,000 United States dollars for property damage. Once the driver accepts a trip or has a passenger in the vehicle, Uber's commercial policy increases to at least $1 million United States dollars in third-party liability coverage and includes uninsured and underinsured motorist benefits and contingent collision coverage. New York City has additional requirements. Rideshare vehicles must meet special insurance standards and may be covered by the Black Car Fund, while out-of-state journeys may follow different rules. Injured rideshare passengers may recover medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and property damage. Claims are typically filed against the responsible driver's insurance or through Uber's policy, and documentation is essential. When another driver is uninsured or leaves the scene, uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage becomes crucial. Because insurance adjusters may minimize payouts, consulting a knowledgeable attorney helps protect your interests and ensures that the comparative negligence analysis considers all evidence. A lawyer can help gather evidence and negotiate with insurers. Working with a law firm experienced in rideshare accidents can make the process smoother and improve your chances of fair compensation. Uber accidents can leave passengers with injuries and complex legal questions. Acting quickly, documenting the crash, and seeking qualified legal advice can help you navigate New York's comparative negligence system and pursue the compensation you deserve. For experienced guidance, contact L Sanchez Law Office, PC at 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372. The law firm can be reached at 646-701-7990.